Grabe, ng effort talaga, no? Ala, ito yung tiningnan ko kahapon. Oh, thank you guys. Hey guys, this is the Orange guy speaking, and right now, it's our May 9, 1992. I'm with my wife kasi guys, magkapareho kaming birthday at pinanganak, no? Noong May 9, 1992. So ngayon, it's May 9, 2025. So, hi, nasa vlog. Ayun, no? So, grabe, no? Amazing, no? Kasi kapareho tayong birthday, tapos same age. Sinong mas matanda sa atin? Ayan, tingnan natin yung days of birthday. Pero walang oras, di ba? But sabi ng mom ko, pinanganak daw ako ng madaling araw, no? But yung sa'yo wala. So, siguro magkuya ka sa akin. Kuya. Ayan. So, right now, guys, we are very excited kasi sinurprise kami ng team, no? Earlier. So, kumanta sila. Hindi namin expect na they will give us time, no? Kumanta sila ng happy birthday sa amin, na nag-effort pa. Grabe. Amazing team from Kirk, Roldan, White Label Asset Solutions. So, thank you so much, guys. We really appreciate it, no? Ano masabi mo? Happy birthday, my wife.
Happy birthday to.
Ayan. And may isa pa kaming happy moments kasi magpapa-check up kami ngayon, guys. Isa to sa blessing namin sa birthday namin kasi yun, we found out last April 19 na meron kaming fourth na baby, no? Amazing. So ito yung grabe, amazing gift for us. And I'm very excited kasi 12 PM later, papa-check up namin si wife ko, you know.
Katulad to sa
I love you. Okay, so ngayon, guys, i-check natin yung binigay ng team namin sa birthday namin. Let's open this one. Grabe, ng effort talaga, no? From the admin team. Admin, check natin to, ha? Orange girl ka. Grabe, orange na orange. Pungka na pungka, no? Yun, no?
Ano? Yun.
Parang Cox, di ba?
Oo.
Amazing. Oh, thank you guys. Grabe, ang ganda. You know, dito pa isa. From? Ito. Tingnan natin. Basahin natin, ha. Ito pa. Wishing you a happiest birthday. We are the luckiest for having you, ma'am. We love you so much. Oh, thank you guys. From who? Check mo. To our
Marketing team.
marketing team. Thank you, marketing team. Let's check it. Thank you, guys. Yun, check naman natin yung para sa akin, guys. To Sir Kirk, you know, happy birthday today. We celebrate a life of yours. Be happy and most of all, cherish the moment every day from admin. Thank you, admin team. Ala, ito yung tiningnan ko kahapon dun sa Oxygen kasi sabi ng team ko na
pumunta na din sila dun sa day sa muntik na tayo, nakita na nila tayo, muntik natin sila makita. At honestly, Han, itong t-shirt na to, true story to, ha. Tiningnan ko yan, pero busy kasi sinabihan kita na, Han, what if bibilhin ko tong t-shirt na to? Sinabi ko talaga dun sa Oxygen kahapon. Ayun, no, klaro-klaro dun, na-memorize ko pa kung saan yan nilagay. Sa bibigay pala. Hindi ko hinawakan, malay na ako, sinabi ko lang yun, no.
and thank you. Another one from the admin team. Again, thank you so much. Happy birthday. Wishing a continued success in life. We love you from admin. Grabe, bongga talaga yung mga admin, no? Thank you, admin team. Oo, so yun, no? They spend their time, money. Happy birthday. Thank you, team. Yun, no? Gandang balloon. Meron silang, tarpaulin. And then, dalawang flowers. Tsaka merong chocolate cake sa mesa. Ayun. Perfect. So, grabe. Alright, guys. Watch the video kasi may mga gagawin pa tayo later, no? See you.